Hi. It's Veda, day 4. Veda, 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 Veda. Yay! I have to say, I am so low energy today. Um, it was, I was supposed to be productive, cleaning my house, being responsible, being an adult, and all that crap, and I didn't do a damn thing. I just laid out all day, and I'm tired from it, which is a bitter irony. So I don't really have much to say because I wasn't really thinking about it except the fact that, oh man, I gotta do this. So here I am. I do want to say thank you to everyone for leaving comments, and I got 9 subscribers. What? That's awesome. You people are so sweet and so nice. And so, yeah, thank you. Because I was thinking like, oh, I can't disappoint my 9 people. So, hi and goodbye. I'm going to go to sleep soon. So, I'm sorry I don't have really much to say. I think tomorrow I'm going to like the supermarket, so maybe I will film on my phone and like try to do like a direct upload and show my neighborhood, which isn't the prettiest, but at least take you guys for a walk around my neighborhood, see how that's like. Yeah, but that's it. Yeah, sorry it wasn't thrilling or whatever, and thanks everyone for all the comments and. Good night. Happy Saturday. Veda, 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 Veda. See you tomorrow, guys.